definitely we would prefer to see that this travel ban should be lifted. And of course, we have to communicate with the U.S. government because, as everybody knows, that we have a large community. There is a large Somali community in the United States who I'm sure have contributed to the U.S. economy and the U.S. society in different ways. And we have to talk about what the Somali people have contributed rather than only a few people who probably may cause a problem. And that's why we have to address the security situation here. And this is the root cause. The root cause is how to defeat Al-Shabaab.